19, and this is my assistant kid sister. Hey. Welcome to my series, Need to Knows. Today, we will make homemade Play-Doh. Things we need for this activity are a large mixing bowl, a half cup of warm water, 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3/4 cup of salt, and some food coloring. We are using red today. The first step is to pour water in the bowl. Now add food coloring and mix it good. Then we add the flour. Next, add the salt. Then add the oil. Now we are going to knead the dough by hand until it feels like dough. This part is a little tough, so my grown-up will help me. When your dough is formed, you can separate it into small amounts to store it for later. We use this recipe to create a volcano in our video about chemical reactions. Check it out in the link below. The first step is to pour water in the bowl. No, Bridget, not yet. Now add food coloring and mix it good. I want to do it. Mix it. What's my tonight do? What's my tonight do? Then we add the flour. Is this flour? No, that is. Big ball of flour. Oh my god. That's a little flour. Do we have to mix it? Then we add the flour. Next we add the salt. Then we mix it. No. Then add oil. Oil? Now we are going to knead the dough by hand until it feels like dough. Oh my god. What does knead mean? So chewy. Oh, Bridget, no. Bridget, can you get the spoon out? Okay. All the Play-Dohs in this. Oh my god, it feels... Yeah. So disgusting. Yeah, right? It's all over me. Here's our dough, and it was really fun and easy to make at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.